Simon definitely played well. Big improvement since the last time I played him. Proud of him, you know. He came a far way. I would say I was a bit lazy in the beginning. Getting started, feet weren't moving. So second set, I got some energy and I started moving again. So yeah.
No, I understand you play Adam next. Someone you're quite familiar with. Your thoughts on that matchup?
Well, I thought I played Adam. Really, truly. Always a good match. Always fair game with Adam. Been playing him for years and always enjoyed it.
This is my second time playing Matthew. First time, I don't think I played my best. So tonight to come out here and play how I did, I'm happy. Even though a win would have been really good. I played my best, and I don't think there's anything I could have changed in like the last month of training that would have made me play any better against Matthew. He's a really good player, and you know, he really used experience to beat me out there tonight. So it's nothing I can be ashamed of.